the youths versus the veterans. If ODM wants to stay relevant, it must balance both the forces or risk losing energetic leaders like Babu Owino to other political movements. Juu kuna wale vijana ambao wameambia Babu Owino kwamba kama hata simama na ODM asimame na DCP Nairobi, watampigia kura. When we look at Sifuna, the bridge between the two worlds, Edwin Sifuna is young but already powerful in ODM, is walking a fine line. He's loyal to the party, yet bold enough to speak his mind. Opuru's soft defense of Sifuna, it shows that the ODM leadership knows his importance. Na si yeye peke yake. James Orengo pia alisema the same thing, that Sifuna represents the party's future communication strategy and the modern political mindset. Opuru's comments about a kingpin will just emerge like a mushroom. He's saying that no one can just be appointed to succeed Raila. The people will decide themselves. The statement, to me, indirectly warns politicians who are already positioning themselves as Raila's successor. ODM's next phase will come from the people's acceptance, not boardroom deals. ODM is clearly in transition, a party between the old Raila Odinga's era and a new youthful wave. Oburu Odinga is trying to keep kila mtu akuwe ametulia, but ukweli ni succession politics has already begun. Tukiangalia Babu Owino, Edwin Sifuna and others, they are the new voices. Whether the old guard accepts that reality or wakatai kabisa, ODM will decide. The big question now is, can ODM remain united without Raila Odinga, or